Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to review our today's calls. So first call for today's session was ITC and the entry level was 219. So I have daily chart of ITC. It opened at 218. Let me go to 5-minute chart. So this is right here. Assume this is the beginning of that. Okay, 118 in this 218. Okay, 216. So once it went to 219. 219, let me see that. 218 it did not came. So 219. So 221. So in ITC we were able to book profit till 221. Second stock was Tata Motors and the entry level was 262. Let me go to 5-minute chart. First I will see daily chart. So here Tata Motors gap 262.35. So that's it. It gapped up above entry point. So we are not going to trade this. This call for Tata Motors becomes invalid. UPL, third stock for today's session, and the entry level was 525. Let me go. Yeah, as you can see, 525. Okay, see here in UPL we were able to book 541. So we were able to book our entire profit from 527 to 541. So that's a colossal profit in UPL. Let me see fourth stock, Bandhan Bank. So here in Bandhan Bank, our entry range was 369, and let me see the opening range here. 369. It did not went above our entry point. See, that's the power of our analysis. As we have seen, once the price goes above our entry point, we were able to book at least 2 or 3 targets, which I have chalked out here. If it gaps up or gaps down, we are not in danger of losing our money, and that is the most important thing. It's not about earning money every single day from day trading. It's all about how you can save your capital. So we are done for today's session. Now I'm going to review calls for tomorrow's session. First of all, I am going to analyze Bank Nifty. On daily chart, as you can see, Bank Nifty is currently trading just around the support level of 31,800. If I go to 15-minute chart and try to make sense of today's session, as you can see, this is the beginning over here around this particular range. Bank Nifty found support first of all around 31,850. That became a decent support level, and after that you saw a retracement. Retracement was almost equal to opening range, and then you saw colossal selling which pushed the price till 31,665. If I go to hourly chart, let me zoom that in for you. So I cannot see anything to trade. What I see here is that if price comes to the level of 31,665, we can take buy side trade. Otherwise, I don't see any trade possible on a technical chart or a 15-minute chart. Another level which I see can pose a strong resistance for price is around 31,850. So this might be a good level to buy, and target should be around 32,175. So the most logical level I can see in terms of technical chart is above 31,000 or 32,000. Let us put 32,000 entry, and 32,150 should be our target, and the stop loss should be around 50 point, around 31,150. What is this level? Yeah, 31,001, 32,000. Here it is 31,950. Yeah. Now I'm going to analyze Nifty 50. So similarly, Nifty 50 has followed the trend of Bank Nifty. Here is a trend line, and then it came lower and found support near 14,300 to 14,280. Let me go to 15-minute chart. Here you can see a trend line which was broken, and then price was pushed lower again from the levels of 14,200 to 14,220. You saw retracement in Nifty, though this retracement is not high enough. It is just one 15-minute candle. So if I want to trade in Nifty 50, I won't be concerned about trading unless price goes above 14,350, and my target should be 14,400, and stop loss should be 14,280 and around that. No, entry is 14,350 and stop loss should be 14,330. That is a 20 point of stop loss, and profit should be, or target should be 14,400. Let us analyze four stocks for tomorrow's session. So first stock I have selected is TVS Motors. As you can see on daily chart, in today's session we can spot long wick candle on the support level. I can draw the support level around the market price of 496 or 497. Let me go to hourly chart and spot any higher support level or anything which we can do, or which we can analyze, which will even more substantiate our analysis. So I can see the level of 490 as a strong support level. You can see huge long wick candle, and there was bit of consolidation, but price is showing willingness to move up. Let me go to 15-minute chart. Here as you can see, price has taken a U-turn after 490, and looking at this particular price action, let me zoom in much more. Pay attention to this thing here. You can draw a triangle pattern, and if price goes above 501 or 502, I can easily see lot of bullish momentum being established in the stock in form of buyers loading in decent quantity, and the price can go as high as 414 to 415. Second stock I have selected is Z Entertainment. So similar to TVS Motor, see here in this particular zone here we can draw a trend line, and in today's session this trend line was broken. Target is achieved. We can see price finding support at the beginning of the trend line, which is around 215 to 216. Let me go to hourly chart. You can see the same thing here. See multiple candles, long wick candles on 215 further indicates and implies that the support level is stronger. Price is gonna go up, though you saw a retracement, but in the retracement we can also see long wick candle. Let me go to 15-minute chart. A similar thing can be seen. Let's see here. One, this is a circle kind of pattern. You might see something like this once again if this support level has to broken. So if we trade about 218, we can easily book profit till at least 221 to 222. As you can see, if the retracement happen till high of this particular wave. Third stock which I have selected for tomorrow's session is Axis Bank. If you look at the daily chart of Axis Bank, you can draw a trend line like this. But one thing is concern me is this wick here, which is around the support level. as you can see this particular wick, which is around 650. So what I think is that also if we go to hourly chart, you can see similar price action like this. This is a wave. Price was finding strong supply at 690, then it came lower again. So if in tomorrow's session Axis Bank breaks the barrier of 650, we can easily see price going as low as 630 or 632. But one thing is concern me is this long wick candle and the consolidation at this particular level. So what I have thought about is that we might see a reversal above 660, 655, and price can go as high as 670. So I have given you two ways of trading Axis Bank. Below 650 we are going to sell, and above 655 we are going to buy. Fourth and final stock I have selected is Dabur. So here in Dabur I have also analyzed that retracement is due, looking at number of long wick candle. Also volume is diminishing at those levels as well. On hourly chart you can see similar thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go to left hand side you can find more than 10 long wick candle at the zone of 535. I'll show you in 15-minute chart as well. See here. So if price breaks above 537, and if this retracement goes to 545, we are at extremely good profit above 8 rupees. Simple as this. I'm going to show you. This is a support level, and if I draw, this is the first wave, and if the retracement goes at similar height, our profit is 8 rupees. Simple is that. We are not doing or trying to invent some new analysis. We are just using price and what it is indicating and what it might indicate in future, and that's where we are basing our analysis. So based on my analysis that you just saw, I have chalked out these levels. I have tried to give multiple levels of targets so that you can get and earn more money than usual. As I have told you in Axis Bank, above 650 we are going to sell. So remember that. I'm going to share these calls in my Telegram channel as well. Link can be found in the description box. Thank you for watching.